Meteorologist using the most advanced radar, live Super Doppler HD, keeping you safe under an umbrella of protection.
Thanks for joining us. I hope you had a great Friday, and John has tonight off again. Airport sky camera now, and the skies have been clearing out, so the snow has been kind of tapering off across central Iowa, but the winds continue to howl and the temperatures continue to drop. Right now at the airport it is 22 degrees, the wind chill down to 7, dew point at 12, relative humidity 65%. There's a northwest wind now at 21, the pressure on the rise 29.68. Road conditions really nasty here across north central Iowa, right around Highway 18 and I-35. Travel not advised in that neighborhood. Even across northwest and west central Iowa, about 50 to 100% ice mixed. And even as you head down toward Highway 20 and approaching Highway 30 there, still about 25% snow covered. Right here across the metro area, roads are in great shape, but to the north, combination of the wind and that light snow creating black ice and whiteout conditions. So blizzard warning in effect here for 4 counties across north central Iowa, right around the Mason City area, right through 9 o'clock this evening. And surrounding those 4 counties, a winter weather advisory. Conditions here not quite as bad, but still that snow could be blowing across and limiting your visibilities at times. And still we do have a few more snow showers to contend with this evening. Winds have been gusting today too, generally over 40 miles per hour, but under 50. So Latimer and Farnhamville, the highest wind gusts so far today, and overnight those winds will calm down. Right now they're coming in out of the northwest. Just had a wind gust at the Des Moines Airport at 32 miles per hour, down to 26 there in Fort Dodge, so starting to relax. And live Super Doppler HD still showing a few bands of some light snow showers, one to the east of Boone, another over toward Ames, over toward Collins, and they're all tracking to the southeast. You may pick up a slight dusting with those this evening, but for the most part, the accumulating snows are over. And this is what it looks like up at our Algona SchoolNet site there. We pointed it out toward the countryside, and outside of town is where you're going to find the worst conditions. So if you've got to be traveling this evening, do take it easy. Official snowfall reports coming into the lab at the airport here in Des Moines, 0.9 inches, Fort Dodge, 1.5 inches, Centerville, only a ½ inch, but Pella, the big winner, at 3 inches. So here's what Futurecast looks like for this evening. Well, we've got Arctic high pressure settling into the region, so that's the reason for the skies clearing out overnight and into your Saturday. Looks pretty quiet, not quite as windy as that high builds in here, but boy, it is going to be cold. Then look what's happening to the west. This is a next system taking shape that will roll in here for early next week. For tonight, though, skies clearing out, the wind letting up, a low back to 8, wind chills, though, -5 to -15, northwest wind 15 to 25 this evening. Then for tomorrow, sunshine 16 degrees, a high temp, north wind 5 to 15, and your 5-day forecast. Sunday, slight chance of snow during the afternoon. Actually, not a bad looking weekend, just a little chilly. Monday and Tuesday, we could have some more accumulating snows there. We'll know more this weekend about how much snow to expect.
All right, thanks, Patinka.